Hi everyone, this is AutoSolve, and today I'm here to show you a little demonstration of automation. Automation uses robotic process automation, a framework called UiPath, a piece of software that allows you to build those that will meet various robotic automations where you have to do clicks on the user interface, you have to open some forms up, and perform some actions. So in this case, we have a list of payments here, and we have to put this through this portal that allows you to fill out the payment details for every one of your payments and send the payment. So you have to fill this form out for each one of the payment lines and send it through. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And to do this, we are using this automation that I built using UiPath. Walk through the demo. So now allow me to kick this off. Let's see how it goes. So immediately it opens up the portal, does some verifications, and it starts populating kind of the payments page for first payment. First payment's been done. We've got the confirmation. And we're also, it's worth noting that every time the page refreshes, there's potential delay that has to happen. And before filling out the pay name, the very first line on the form, we are asking our RPA to actually delay this execution a couple of seconds in order to allow our web page to catch up in case there is a delay. And the same thing really applies every time the page kind of changes. So we are manually hard coding this inside our workflow. So there it goes. Yeah, another payment. And also worth mentioning that most of these executional parameters, delays, validations, checking, that can be obviously tweaked and changed using UiPath. Absolutely no problem. You just need to know which tools to use. So I think that's it. We are done. So that was the demo. Let me quickly switch over to the actual UiPath. So here, if you want to walk us through what we're doing here, we are opening our document using read range book activity. And obviously, we kind of just saying we want to read the whole worksheet by specifying length. We're not specifying the range, which is why it's taking the entire sheet. Further up here, we're building a browser window. So what that is, various parameters, like we can look at the selector for it. We can easily specify the path to the web page and various parameters. But for now, we're merely using it. Now we kind of go through a bunch of clicks here. So every single click goes in sequence. We are using visual and the anchors for this. Then here we're creating loops. So our data table for the payment is table, and it's got several rows. So for each row, we're putting this through. And we're going to take this for each data table, and for every row, we're executing this form filling out. Right, so we're filling out the form every step of the way. Just magnify it a little bit. Yeah, so we're kind of using the visual aid and the anchor, right? So the form that we have to type into, we're using the type into tool, and we're specifying the anchor just to help the visual engine to align on which elements we have to use. So, right, and yeah, so we're filling it, clicking, and we're typing into here. So how we're doing this, we are obviously referencing current row. And current row obviously contains columns, so every column could be referenced by specifying its name. So it's item pay name here, pay name. That's how we know which one to use. And we're just making sure it's converting to a string as well, just as a safeguard. Right, so the next one is address, and there's a city, same thing applies. So it keeps on going and fills out every single element of the form. Yeah, so here I was just using dummy values for the account because it was playing around. It was playing out, not liking the account numbers I had on my spreadsheet. So I just hard coded them now. Yeah. So that's it. That was that. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Please let me know if you're interested in that sort of RPA UiPath automations. We can look deeper into it. We can look at potentially building some complex automations for finance, for accountancy. Perhaps maybe there's some reconciliations you'll be looking at doing. I'll be delighted to hear on your ideas and see what challenges you have and potentially look at solving them using UiPath. Thank you so much. Have a great day.